It's been about a month now since I started getting Misfits market boxes. As online groceries go, this has been a really good deal for me. Here's a roundup of some of the things I've made over the past couple of weeks. As you can see, this nectarine jam was a big hit. I've got a full video on how I made it up on my channel. I'll post a link in the description box. Now, do you remember that little chicken I got in box number 2 or box number 3? Well, all I did was roast it. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Season your chicken with salt, pepper, and spices. I used garlic powder, paprika, and a little bit of onion powder. Roast it in a pan for 50 to 60 minutes until the drumstick wiggles easily in the joint. On the first day, I had it just as simple roasted chicken with some vegetables on the side. I packed up the leftovers and used the rest of it in some ramen later in the week. Now, that lower sodium ramen I got was really good. The package was a little small, but so were the calories. I topped it off with the chicken, some cilantro, some lime juice, and a little bit of hoisin sauce. It turned out really yummy. My absolute favorite meal so far has been a tomato sandwich with that sirloin steak. All you need is some good crusty bread like that take and bake baguette, and some mayo, and a really good tomato from the farmer's market. Cooking a steak as small as this 6-ounce sirloin is really easy. Just get a pan over medium-high heat, season the steak on both sides, and cook it for 3 minutes on each side. Let it rest for at least 5 minutes before cutting into it. At the end of the month, I had a baby shower to go to, so I used some of my Misfit lemons to make some lemon cupcakes. Using both the juice and the zest of the lemon really brighten up a box cake mix. I'll tell you more about it in the description box. So all in all, here's how it's going so far. I've gotten 6 orders for a total of $215.83. That's an average of $35.97 for each order. I'm doing my best to make at least 3 or 4 meals out of everything in the box by the time the next box comes. I get these weekly. My favorite items so far have been the salmon, various produce items, and some of their meat specials. Now that I'm getting more items from the pantry aisle, more and more things are carrying over from week to week. Now keep in mind, the way I cook isn't always fancy. Those bacon ends made really good BLTs. Now, as always, this is not a sponsored ad, but if you want to give Misfits Market a try, look in the description box for my discount code. It'll get you $10 off of your box, and I'll get $10 off too. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you.